there is a wealth of reasons why Santorini is the best Greek island and one of the top travel destinations in the world. If you have a quick dip into the island, it is enough to make you realize its uniqueness and become deeply fond of it. Besides the ideal climate of Greece with hot summers, a bright sun and the temperament of its people that captivates tourists in every part of Greece, Santorini has its distinctive characteristics that make it stand out and deservedly popular all over the world. First of all, Santorini is a natural wonder of the world. Its world-famous volcano, which constitutes a magnificent site of Santorini. The rare natural beauty of Santorini, the breathtaking caldera, the views, the extraordinary volcanic beaches and the lunar landscapes are the wondrous results of this eruption that can only be admired in Santorini. In this incredible canvas everything is totally harmonious. The architecture of Santorini whitewashed edifices, blue domes, candy-colored houses, and paved paths blend in perfectly with the spectacular surroundings, creating jaw-dropping images that look like picture postcards.